We are back with Daily Day Trades YouTube. As you can see, we had a very red day today. I am actually just seeing this myself because I was busy all day, even though I tell people very specifically, hey, I can't do anything before 3, but they think, no, trading stocks isn't a real job. You can go do whatever you want, anytime you want. But yeah, I missed the end of the day. Prior to that, everything was flatter than my ex-girlfriend, so I missed out on a lot of fun. That's okay. We did make some trades, and we have some trades we're looking for tomorrow. First of all, this is absolutely ridiculous. If you look at the date, oh my gosh, this timer. It's my grandpa's birthday. Everybody wish him happy birthday. So 897 subscribers. We're working our way up here. 19 views. Okay, whatever. Then you click on it. 1 like. Guess who the 1 like was? It was me. Gotta do better than that. Today we had more retail earnings with reports from Dick's and Lowe's. They both ended up trailing off to finish the day, but they were up a little bit going into that sell-off that we had to finish the market trading hours. Didn't make any plays on that, but we did get some more news on the debt ceiling. So here it is.
No one cares.
That's right, we're over it. We're not talking about it anymore. Next, Jerome Powell's buddy Fed Bullard said that he expects 2 more rate hikes before the end of 2023. That might have been part of what got people sketched out today, but I do not think so because I'm pretty sure he said that yesterday. Today's sell-off might have been just because everything is really, really overvalued. I mean, the title of our YouTube video yesterday was Stocks Are Expensive, which is still true. Speaking of expensive stocks, we still have the risky at Nvidia play that we have for earnings. Their earnings report is tomorrow. I have puts on this. They expire on Friday. Why did I get the puts on that? I don't know. It just seemed like it was a little bit overextended. I figure if it's going to make a big move in one direction, it's going to be down. I only bought one. It was $200. As you can see, it has to move down $24 for that to be in the money. It is not a very good investment or trade. That being said, that's why we only bought one. Who knows? It could be worth $500 or something. We did make some other additions today, though. We have Palantir, June 2nd, $12 puts. We paid $17 a pop for those. This is another play on sort of just an overextended stock. If we pull up the chart here, we can see that they have been going a little nuts, maybe a little too much. Over here, I believe I screenshotted. I did. I don't know where I was going with that. Whatever. The RSI is really high. I never make any trades based solely on the RSI, but in this case, this is a significant number. It's nearing 85. I figure if anything, it's going to retrace down a little bit. I just need like one day, one bad open, one gap down, maybe one afternoon, and then we'll probably make 50 or 100% on that trade, call it good. I'm also willing to lose 50% on that trade because I kept it really, really small. Ideally, we'll sell out of most of those, make the contracts free that we have remaining, and then carry that into next week because, like I said, they don't expire until June 2nd, so we have a little bit of time, a little bit of leeway. Same dealio with our plug trade from yesterday. This is now free. It was up 33%. It was up more than that, but we sold it for 33%. We made the remaining contracts free. These don't expire until next Friday. We're going to hold those, kind of go for a big play with that one. I didn't intend to really make this the cornerstone of my portfolio, and this is exactly the size of trade that we wanted going into next week. It's risk-free, good to go. Probably not going to hear about that until we sell it. We also had a swing trade edition, which was CRNX at 2280. And if you're wondering where all these trades were posted, it is in the Daily Day Trades Discord, which has a link below to sign up. There is a free trial, and then it is only $5 after that. That link is in the description. Feel free to check that out. But yeah, this is a pretty technical trade. One of the main reasons for buying it is that it is diverging from SPY. This overlaid orange line here is a SPY chart that I just put onto the chart of this stock. And SPY's been pretty flat, up and down. It doesn't really matter what SPY is doing. As you can see, this doesn't follow SPY whatsoever. And that was a big reason for buying this because I don't know if SPY is going to hold up, if it's going to keep going crazy, if it's going to shoot straight back down. I think there's a lot of uncertainty right now, and it's reasonable to say that we just don't know. That's why I was seeking out something that seems to move completely independently of SPY, and this does, as you can see, up or down, does not really care. Another swing trade portfolio update, we sold the RXST for 45%. This was one of the most consistent trades I've ever made. We bought it right here, it had earnings, and then bada bing bada boom, it went straight up, we sold it. Yeah, that was a good one, very low stress, never really went down. It was in the green since the second I bought it, so sold that, it's gone, GG's. My watch list for tomorrow has kind of shifted since the sell-off this afternoon. I am very concerned to see what we do at open tomorrow, what we do after the Nvidia earning. If we see Nvidia take a dive after its earnings report, that's like the strongest stock in the market right now, and that's heavily weighted in a lot of the indexes. I think it's one of the top 4 in the S&P. I want to keep an eye on crypto as well. We've had a long period of consolidation here. I was previously having a great time trading stuff like Coinbase or Mara and Riot, and that was going very, very well. But now that we've calmed down and we're in this stage here, I have not been trading it as much, and we were having some great success with that. So I'll be looking for this to make a move out in one direction or the other, make some trades on the equity side of the crypto space. And then one of our outliers from today, ExxonMobil, it went down yesterday on the news that it was going to start mining lithium, which I thought was good news. Didn't make a whole lot of sense to me. It came back today, but then again, like everything else, sold off here at the end, but it held up much, much better, and it finished the day green. It's reasonable to assume that if tomorrow is a green day and everyone is happy-go-lucky again, then this will have a proportionally better day than the stuff that ended up red today. And then we have Kathy's ETF ARK. This is just one of the funnier stocks in the absolute world. Speaking of shorting, I also really want puts on Zoom. I just now noticed that they, while I'm making this video, I noticed that they were down 8% today. I did not know that. I had been watching them waiting for this kind of move, and I did not look at them today. That is on me. I definitely would have jumped in there if I saw them open up gap down this morning. That doesn't necessarily mean this is the bottom for them. They had a pretty aggressive run up, and basically for no reason. And their earnings report, I don't know. I don't understand Zoom. I think it's kind of dumb. I think there's a lot of competition. I can't freaking talk today. There's a lot of competition in their space, Microsoft Teams, Slack, all that stuff, and the coronavirus is over. It's done. We're sick of it. It's gone. Biggest news tomorrow is going to be the Fed minutes. Those come out in the afternoon. That will move the market for sure. We'll be keeping a close eye on that. People will be picking that apart. Stay tuned on the trade alerts for plays and updates on that. We will for sure be making a play. The Fed days are pretty much free. Once it picks a direction, we can usually pull 40 or 50% in that last hour of trading. Been pretty consistent with that, so keep an eye out for that trade tomorrow afternoon. If you're not in the group, then check out the link in the description. Start your free trial today. Get the trades tomorrow. You can cancel during the free trial anytime. Plus, it's honestly, it's negligibly, the cost is negligible. Either way, big day tomorrow with the Nvidia earnings, with the Fed minutes. It should be a good one. We're having some good fortune with all the trades, all the swing trade portfolio trades especially. We'll try and keep that going for sure, but for now, that is all I got, so I will talk to y'all tomorrow.